Here we want to find a domain of G where g of x is equal to x squared. Okay, so we want to find the domain of this function where g of x is equal to x squared. So one way of looking at this is the following, okay? What are the values that you can plug in for x? So that means if you have g of x is equal to x squared, what are all the values that you can plug in for x that'll give you this output? So that means you can plug in any value. And that means the domain in this case is going to represent any function that you can plug in, which is negative infinity to positive infinity. Let's check our result here. So we're going to put in parentheses, negative infinity, comma, positive infinity, and then plus enter. Okay, now let's just verify this using Desmos. Okay, so again, here is our function, and then we're going to plug in x squared. Okay, so take a look at this function. This forms a parabola. So if we take a look at this function, okay, what it's saying is what are all the values on the x-axis that's going to correspond to this graph? Well, you can see here that this goes on until infinity. It keeps going up and up and up. So all the values on the x-axis go from positive infinity to from negative infinity to positive infinity, which gives us this domain.